This is my 300ZX. All custom trunk. Gonna have the Momos. "20" rims, and they are bagged. This thing is bagged so low. Just bought this car. Suicide doors, custom seats, fiberglass dash with the digital. You gotta be able to run the power. Sorry for it being so dark in here. And yes, the door closed quite nicely. I didn't close it hard enough, unfortunately. This car has been featured in Lowrider magazine. Took the bumper off, so it does go back on quite nicely. Custom mirrors. Custom everything. Carbon fiber. Gotta have the speakers in the floors. It's a one-of-a-kind vehicle. And as you can see, I have all my parts replacing the motor, making it twin turbo. This is what the car looked like. It's on the ground. I mean, with the trunk down. And you know, we gotta keep it veil side with a full veil side body kit. So and the gentleman that sold me this car, he is an awesome guy, very nice guy, very helpful, very honest, and I mean, you just don't find people like that these days anymore. I try, and you know, I'm the same exact way, man. But you know, I deal with a lot of business owners and people, and you just don't find good people like that anymore. So I appreciate you guys watching my video. Hopefully, by the time I'm finished, I'll be posting another video on the finished project. You guys have a wonderful and awesome day.